In this video, the 100 Seconds Economist is going to explain how printing money triggers inflation and actually makes people poorer. Why does your paycheck feel smaller this year, even if you didn't take a pay cut? The answer might be hidden inside a giant printer at the central bank. To understand inflation, you have to understand the money supply. Imagine all the money in the economy is a pool of water. Printing money happens when the central bank turns on the tap and floods that pool with brand new cash, usually to pay government debts or try to stimulate a slowed down economy. But here is the trap. If you double the amount of money in that pool, but you don't double the amount of actual stuff to buy, like houses, cars, or groceries, what happens? Suddenly, there is way more cash chasing the same number of goods. But when sellers see everyone waving cash around, they raise their prices. That general rise in prices across the board, that is inflation. And this is exactly where it makes you poorer. Unless your salary doubles the exact second that prices double, you have lost. That $100 bill in your pocket now buys significantly less than it did last year. Inflation is like an invisible tax that burns away your purchasing power, eating up your savings and shrinking your real wages. Printing money feels like a magic trick to solve problems today, but the illusion fades fast when you get to the checkout line. So, how do we stop the fire? In the next video, I'm going to explain exactly how central banks manage the money supply to try and control inflation, and why it's a dangerous balancing act. Thank you for watching this, and subscribe right now so you don't miss the next video.